Very good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to see chapter number 10, Huttututu, Huttututu. Okay, so let's start. Please open your textbook and please open page number 78. What are these girls doing? They are shouting out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. Okay, so through this picture we can get idea about that these all girls were playing the game. Okay, so what do you call this game? Cheddu gugu, huttu tuttu, chokit kit, hadululu, or kabaddi, or something else. So we can say that this is the game of kabaddi. As you all know that there are two teams to play kabaddi. Each team has 12 players and 7 players play at a one time. Okay, play at a time, and 5 are reserved players. So dear students, when 6 girls surrounded Shamla and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs, somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shamla was not the one to give up. She dragged herself and managed to touch the line in the center. Okay, so सब ऐसा सोच रही थी कि श्यामला आउट हो गई है, बट श्यामला ने क्या किया? जोर से अच्छे से ताकत लगा के जो लाइन थी उसके ऊपर हाथ रख दिया एंड वो क्या हो गई? फाइनली वो हार नहीं गई, पर वो क्या हो गई? जीत गई. When Shamla touched the line, all the girls of the opposite team were holding her. Okay, so all of them got out. Okay, Shamla को जिसने भी अच्छे से पकड़ा था वो सब आउट हो गए. But Rosie argued that Shamla had taken a breath in between. Okay, so Rosie, she was arguing that Shamla ने ब्रीथ बंद कर दिया था इन बिटवीन. सो द टीम वॉज नॉट आउट. तो क्या बोल रही है? अभी टीम आउट नहीं है. श्यामला इंसिस्टेड दैट दिस वॉज नॉट ट्रू. श्यामला बता रही है कि ये सही नहीं है. शी सेड दैट इफ शी हैड टेकन अ ब्रेथ, व्हाई डिड द गर्ल्स कीप होल्डिंग हर? There was a big argument. Finally, Shamla won. Okay, so let's see the question answer on page number 79. When you play kabaddi, how many players do you have in a team? Okay, so whenever you are going to play kabaddi, so how many players do you have in a team? So there are 12 players in a kabaddi team and 7 players play on the ground and 5 players are reserved. Okay, so how many players got out when Shamla touched the line? Okay, so 6%. Oh, okay, 6 players got out when Shamla touched the line. Do you have a ways to resolve disputes in a games? Yes, of course, no? The game refers should listen to both sides and give a fair judgment. Okay, दोनों गेम का अच्छे से हमें सुनना पड़ता है. The game of kabaddi. Okay, let's know about the game of kabaddi. So this is what a game of kabaddi is like: pushing, pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling in the ground. So ये गेम कैसी है? उसमें कभी कभी हम गिर भी जाते हैं पर बहुत मजा आता है. ओके, पुशिंग, पुलिंग, स्क्रीमिंग, ओके, shouting, जोर जोर से आवाज करना, dragging and falling on the ground. Okay, so it is a rough game yet it has many rules. Okay, ये थोड़ी rough game तो है पर उसके भी अच्छे अच्छे rules भी है. It is lots of fun. Okay, so whenever you play this game you will feel good. Okay, and lots of exercise, और exercise भी बहुत मिलती है. Holding your breath while running and continuously saying kabaddi kabaddi and also trying to touch the players of the opposite team. Okay, so जब भी नेक्स्ट टीम में आप खेलने के लिए जाते हो तो आपको क्या बोलना है? कबड्डी कबड्डी कबड्डी. ओके, वो बंद नहीं करना है. So many things to do in a kabaddi. You can do this as long as you can hold your breath. Okay, You need to use both your body, mind in this game. Okay, so सभी गेम के अंदर क्या होता है, हमें माइंड और हमारी बॉडी वो उसको अलर्ट रखना पड़ता है. सो इन द सेम वे कबड्डी में भी यही रूल्स है कि हमारा माइंड और हमारी बॉडी दोनों अलर्ट रखनी है. यू हैव टू यूज योर स्ट्रेन सी टू पुल और स्टॉप द प्लेयर्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू यूज योर स्ट्रेन. ओके, ताकत करनी है. At the same time, you have to think about how to enter the other side. Okay, so जब भी आप नेक्स्ट टीम में जाते हो तो आपको कैसे जाना है, कहाँ से जाना है, ओके कहाँ से मूव ऑन करना है, that you all know. You have to decide whom to touch quickly and come back. So dear students, दो टीम है. ओके, एक टीम में से आप जा रहे हो, सामने वाली अपोजिट टीम है, उसके ऊपर उसके वहाँ पे जाके आपको क्या करना है, आपको कौन सी जगह से जाना है कि आप क्विकली टच करके वापस आ सकते हो. ओके, सो इफ यू गेट कॉट देन हाउ डू यू रीच द लाइन इन द सेंटर. अगर आप पकड़ गए हो तो वहाँ से लाइन क्रॉस करके इधर कैसे आना है. नेक्स्ट टाइम on page number 18, next time when you play kabaddi, focus your attention, your legs, arms and eyes. Okay, so you will notice that. Next page, page number 18. Next time when you play kabaddi, focus your attention on your legs, arms and eyes. You will notice that good coordination is required between eyes, legs and arms. Okay, so this is good instructions for players. Okay, make a picture in your notebook to show how Shamla managed to get the entire opposing team out in one go. What does it mean to be out in games? When does one gets out in kabaddi? So the answer is, to be out in a game means that the players cannot continue the game for certain time. There are 3 ways to get out in a kabaddi. Next one, in some games it is very important to touch the player. For example, in the game of Kho, you get out when someone touches you. You also get your turn by someone's touch. Name some games in which it is very important to touch the players. Okay, so here are so many games, no, like Kho, Kabaddi, arm wrestlings, then red light, then green light, blind man's buff. Okay, in kabaddi the entire team was out because Shamla had touched the line. So what are some other games in which the central line is very important? So for an example, it is hockey, football, then dog and the bone, etc. So what are the games in which besides the players you have to touch some things or colors? So can we touch your golden river, farmer, what's the time, Mr. Wolf, grab and tag. Okay, let's see on page number 81. Do you play kabaddi, dear students? Is there a girls kabaddi team in your school? Do you think that your grandmother played kabaddi when they were your age? Ask them. Okay, so yes, आपकी grandfather, grandmother सब खेलते हैं ये गेम. Okay, now we are going to see Karanam Maheshwari. You have seen or read about her in the newspaper. Okay, so ये गर्ल है, इसके बारे में पेपर में बहुत सारे पोस्टर्स और इंफॉर्मेशन है. क्यों है? Let's see. Karanam Maheshwari is a weight lifter. Okay, so what is the meaning of weight lifter? It means the kind of sports. Okay, she lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Maheshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. Okay, Maheshwari जो थी वो 12 years की थी तब उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया था वेट लिफ्टर का. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. अभी कितना वो उचक रही है? 130 kilograms. Karanam has won 29 medals in international events. Okay, and she won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. Okay, so here is the one beautiful story. Can we read? Yes. A story of three sisters. Okay, story of three sisters. Look at this photograph. Okay, please see in your textbook on page number 81. Okay, so don't they look like a simple grandmothers, but they are different. Okay, ये क्या है, simple लग रहे हैं but क्या है, grandmothers है, but they are different. The picture is of this the picture of this three sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. कौन कौन से सिस्टर हैं, ज्वाला, हीरा एंड लीला. They live in Mumbai. Okay, so where do they live? They live in Mumbai. All three of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. Okay, so ये कबड्डी खेलते थे और दूसरों को भी सिखा रहे थे. ज्वाला tells when we were young girls were not allowed to play this game. Okay, so जब इन लोग गर्ल्स थे तब उनको अलाउड नहीं था ये गेम खेलने के लिए. When we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. Okay, जब हमारा समय था तो किसी को ये गेम प्ले करने के लिए अलाउड नहीं था. People thought that if girls played such a rough games, nobody would marry them, and they also said that the girls had to wear a boy's clothes. Okay, so at that time people was thinking that अगर ये गेम खेलेंगे तो इसकी शादी नहीं होगी या फिर हाथ पैर कुछ टूट जाएगा. So many reasons. Okay, so they never allowed to play this game, but these three women, they were already played this game. Clothes to play kabaddi. That is why they stopped the girls from playing. Or the sisters were young when their father died. Okay, ये तीन sisters थे, वो यंग थे तब उसके फादर डाइड मतलब कि मर गए थे. द मदर एंड द मामास ब्रॉट देम अप. बोथ अंकल्स यूज्ड टू प्ले कबड्डी एंड खो खो. ओके, सो दे एनकरेज द थ्री गर्ल्स टू प्ले द कबड्डी. ज्वाला एंड लीला टॉक अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस. हियर ज्वाला एंड लीला, दे बोथ share their experience with us. Almost 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. Okay, जब हमारा समय था तो क्या कर रहे थे सब लोग, हमें गेम खेलने के लिए परमिशन नहीं दे रहे थे. Parents did not let them play the game. Even parents, they also never allowed to play this game. But we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. Okay, but हमारे जो अंकल थे और मेरी जो मम्मा थी वो मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे थे. We three learned the game and some other girls also joined us. हम तीनों ने अच्छे से ये गेम खेली और हमने बहुत लड़कियों को मदद भी की. We formed a kabaddi club which is active event today. Okay, हमने एक कबड्डी फॉर्म का एक क्लब भी बनाया और अभी आज तक भी वो एक्टिव है. So dear students, in our next video we will see another part of this chapter. Thank you dear students. God bless you.